Hey everyone, if you want to create a professional resume quickly without complicated tools, Resume.com is one of the easiest platforms you can use. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to use Resume.com in 2026. First, go to Resume.com and create an account. Uh, you can also sign in using your email or Google account. Next, choose a resume template. Pick a clean, professional design that matches your job type. Now enter your personal details. This includes your name, email, phone number, and location. Add your work experience next. Write your job roles, company names, and responsibilities clearly and simply. Then add your education and skills. Keep everything relevant to the job you are applying for. You can also customize your resume design. Change colors, fonts, and layout to make it look more professional. Finally, download your resume as a PDF or share it online. This makes it easy to apply for jobs instantly. So yeah, that's how you use resume.com. Follow each step carefully, and you can build a clean professional resume in just a few minutes. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more career and tech tutorials for fast and easy guides.